Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. Excuse me, I've been doing these videos quite a bit today. I kind of got backed up on this. We were out of tubs for a really long time, and then we got a good stock of them. So we'll probably run out again here in the next few weeks. So if you see this video or you see the ad and it still says add to cart, then it's still available. I wouldn't wait on it. Okay, $87.95 Jeep Wrangler YJ tub will work on a 76 to 86 CJ7, but you do need to make some modifications to it to do that. It's not super hard, but it is what it is. What that is up there. Anyway, let's see here. It is rust free. It does have some dings on this thing, not on the side actually. The side's really clean, but underneath. And it didn't happen in my yard. We bought out our yard recently. I think this tub was probably moved around a few times. Like you can kind of see, this is kind of depressed in up here. This is where your frame mount goes to your front. This is all sheet metal. You can get in there pretty easily and bend it back. I wouldn't worry about that, but just wanted to show you. It's nice to see exactly what kind of prep work will be involved getting this thing back up and going on your Jeep. So this is beautiful. I mean, those seams there, absolutely stunning. One of the cleaner tubs we have some really nice tubs right now. This is absolutely beautiful. It's dripping. I just washed it. Hopefully fairly good. So these are all the mounts that go to your frame, and I think that one's the same thing as the other side. So you get a little pry bar and bend that back flush. It actually would probably mount that way, but I would probably bend it back. It'd be a little bit easier. And then right there you can kind of see it looks like maybe the forklift kind of got in there. I'll lower it down. You can see it from top side, whatnot. But as far as rust goes, none. So grade A for that, for sure. And I got some photos too. So. We can only upload 12. That's part of the reason I do these videos. Excuse me. I'm a little hoarse right now. It looks like there's a turkey up on the side of the hill. Right there. Oh, nope. That's just a big ass bird. Actually, that might be... Yeah, that looks like an eagle. That's cool. Man. We just moved up here. Really blessed to live here. It's an amazing place. So all these tubs came in from the West Coast. We're also in the desert as well, as you can see our surroundings. So nice clean Jeeps. So this is just oxidized of the metal. This isn't rough or anything like that. That'll wire brush right off or sand down if you want to do it that way. This area loves the rust. This is nice and clean too, nice smooth. Again, a little bit of oxidation there, but nothing through and through. And you can see bottom side, well, it's too dark right now, but nice and clean there too. Cowl area is nice and clean. This side sometimes gets beat up sitting in the yards. People sit things on and whatnot. We don't do that here. We put them in the very far back so you can't mess them up. Okay, floorboards. See, that's right where it's kind of pushed up there. So you can beat that down with a mallet. There's another area that loves to rust out. That's nice, clean there, good threads. Nothing broken off bolt-wise. Same thing on that side. There's a driver floorboard. Same thing. A little bit of oxidation on the metal where the bare metals came out, otherwise clean. Here's the back, roll bar. I'm showing you all the areas that love to rust on these things, and then I give you the overside and whatnot. The sides are exceptionally clean on this, down to your lower rocker or below your door, and up through where your inner flare is. Whatnot. We strip these things completely down. Part of the reason we do that is we want to make sure that you see exactly what you're getting. You would be surprised how often a flare or some carpet or whatever holds and hides things. And if you're on the East Coast or Midwest, I wouldn't even touch a Midwest or East Coast frame. That's why we sell them. And I think that's it. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to give us a shout. 303-666-9020. That is a Denver number. We are in the western slope of Colorado, Grand Junction to be exact. And that phone rings both places, so you get one of us as well over here. It doesn't matter, that yard's getting closed anyway, and we're coming up there full time. So jeepsunlimited.net, you can view this tub and others like it. And just to give you an idea, we buy Jeeps running and driving. This whole row came in like that, so that one had an engine problem. So sometimes they have some engine issues, but the point is that we don't buy wrecks. There's some more tubs out there. Obviously, you guys see a couple frames. There's a big frame there for Dodge, but I have a whole bunch of frames we're going to be listing here too. So questions, comments, concerns, anything I missed, please feel free to give us a call. Otherwise, I appreciate you taking a look at the video. I make these quick because our uploading speed out here is like dial-up. it'll take till next week to get these things uploaded if I don't. So, all right, thanks a lot.